I think English is really easy.
I'm agree with you.
Do you say I am agree? You're not alone. Many English learners make this common mistake. But today, you will finally understand why the correct way is I agree. Hello everyone, my name is Ahmed and I'm gonna tell you why I agree is correct. The word agree is a verb, not an adjective. And when we already have a verb, we don't use am, is, or are before it. That's why we say I agree and not I am agree. When you say I agree, you simply mean I share your opinion or I think the same as you. Let's see how native speakers use it in real life. I completely agree with you. I totally agree that practice makes perfect. I don't agree with that opinion. You might also see I am agreed in old books or formal writings. It's not wrong, but it sounds old-fashioned. But in modern English, just say I agree. Look at these examples. We are agreed, which is a formal or old-fashioned grammar structure. But look at this example. We agree, which is a modern and natural grammar structure. Let's test your grammar. Are you ready? So, choose the correct sentence. I am agree. I agree. I am agreed. I am agreeing. So the correct answer is the second one. I agree. Remember, agree is a verb. It doesn't need am or is before it. One more quick quiz. Which sentence sounds natural? I completely agree with you. I am completely agree with you. Yeah, that's right. Of course, the first one is correct. So next time, when you want to share your opinion, say it confidently. I agree. Keep practicing small grammar tips like this to sound more fluent and natural in English. So for full explanations and more examples like this one, check the link in the description. Learn more grammar tips and quizzes on my website and my YouTube channel. Follow me for more unique, smart, and funny English lessons. Thanks for watching and see you soon on the next video.